Love mushrooms? If so, you will love this recipe because today on Grandma Bessie's house, we are chopping fresh ingredients and cooking them with delicious mushrooms. We are making flavorful garlic mushrooms. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Over medium heat, spray a large skillet with nonstick spray and coat it with olive oil. Add butter and allow butter to melt. Add mushrooms, cap side down. Cook 2 to 3 minutes. Take a moment to give this video a thumbs up and share it. Check out our channel. We love cooking and making videos for you to enjoy. Subscribe below to know when we release more delicious recipes. Mince onion, and shallot. Add onions and shallots to the skillet. Stir and cook until onions become translucent. 5 minutes. Mince garlic. Add garlic to skillet and combine. Pour in sherry and chicken broth. Stir and raise heat to medium-high. Do you have any tasty mushroom recipes? If so, let us know in the comments section below the video. Add dry ingredients to the skillet. Combine and coat mushrooms with the seasoning. Reduce heat to simmer and cook until sauce reduces, around 8 to 10 minutes. Add thyme. Combine and cook another 4 to 6 minutes. While cooking, turn mushrooms so the mushroom stems touch the skillet to brown. If your kitchen smells full of flavor, like and share this video. Also help our channel grow by subscribing below. While mushrooms are cooking, chop parsley. Add parsley to skillet. Combine until mushrooms are fully coated with parsley. Transfer to a bowl and serve. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.